right place for us. I will show you where to go. I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side.
Okay, MCs, welcome to MCTV. So right now we're at the Eco Magic Farm. We're doing a 30 minutes trekking or trail. Okay, join us.
This is the trail. It's 10 degrees Celsius here. So this is yeah, we just here, I think. Dito lang tayo.
Going to the forest.
Yeah, we're going to the forest, Kaiser. Don't be scared, we are here. Diba? Nice na nice yung bota ni Mary.
Go, go.
Give me my car! Mimi! Car! Wala yung car.
So if you want some exercise, doing a trail here is a great idea. Wow!
Oh my god!
Yan, maganda na din dito. May araw-araw. Dapat nagdala tayo ng higaan ni Utoy. Pictorial natin siya. How's the hiking, Kaiser?
Good.
It's good. It's fun.
Not fun!
So this is it. Hi, sir! The way pictorial. May budang ba ang butotoy natin? Ito pa. Oo nga, saan ba doon? Oo nga. Okay. Oo, diba? Meron tayo. May mga ngahoy. Oo, mga ngahoy dito. May clear ng road. What? May mga ngahoy. Pag ganito, hindi masarap maglakad. Ano compare nung pagod na pagod tayo last time?
Careful! Ah! Listen. Oh, this is hard. Careful! Track! Careful!
Oh, let's go na!
Tumatawa! Hi, Milana! Hi, Kuya Kaiser! Baka sa dito sa amin for 2 weeks. Honey!
Yes!
Tuwa si Bebe! Jonas one! Ay! Okay! Okay! Oh!
Nope, be careful.
Ayan, tingnan na! Hindi, bumaba lang tayo doon. Okay. Kung hindi ba kumakit, pwede naman. Pero maganda dito. Dito, Ted! Ano ba?
Time moves faster when you're by my side. It's so easy to get by. I'm leaving all my troubles behind. I will get to you, 'cause you make it easy. You make it all so easy now. I will find a place for us. I will show you where to go. And I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. On my mind, you stay to keep me up at night. Can't explain it, I just know.
So the winter is coming already. So nice breeze, exercise. Yay! It's a great experience having a trail or a trekking once in a while. Being with the nature, good. You like the trail, Kaiser? Oh, you have two super sticks. There you go. So we will be having rabbit for dinner. So one of the fresh meats according to them here in Canada. So we will tell you what's the taste like for rabbit. Okay, go. Say hi.
Chef, ano yun? Chef L, can you have another one? Ah, yun na pala.
Hintay niya talaga ako mag-ikot eh.
Si Brian pala yung
Oh.
That's it?
We'll put more while it cooks too.
What's that sauce?
Barbecue, beer. This is what?
We're so excited. It's my first time to eat the rabbit.
Start like that. We'll
Yes,
put
it's a
more.
rabbit. Yeah, it's a rabbit. Roasted rabbit.
There's 2 rabbits.
Yeah, 2 rabbit.
It's one of the healthiest meat.
Greetings.
Inside is
Okay.
Okay, Elliot,
tell me
tell your stories.
Okay.
So
we
what's
have,
recipe?
3 months,
Yeah.
3 months old rabbit.
Ah, it's 3 months.
Last week.
Okay.
It's wrapped around with pork, more thick than bacon. So
Oh.
the skin wrapped around it. There's mango in it. With
Really? There's mango? Wow.
Sauce, with some sauce on top too. So it's gonna take a while to cook. Still, we have the masters of the
Also, who's the masters of the barbecue? So how many hours to cook?
more than one.
Okay. How many hours now? It's been 1 hour. Yeah.
Maybe half an hour.
Half an hour more. Okay.
This is on more the side. It's on the
Yeah.
inside. It looks good.
It looks good for me. We have a surprise here.
Pork satay.
There's 3 left.
Try the rabbit.
Yung salad on
This is the rabbit.
You have to hot before you eat it. Some mango
There you go.
Trim natin. Laki oh.
There you go.
And the other side.
Yung rabbit?
Sabi rabbit. Ito na, try ko na rin. Try na natin.
Try na ng judge.
The taste of the rabbit. This is the rabbit. Yummy yum. Like a chicken. Ay, sarap. Malasa yung rabbit.
Tastes like chicken. Especially with the specially made sauce. Fresh from the farm.
It's okay, we're just... Yeah, because it's...
Nabidyohan mo ba lahat?
Oh, sarap ng kain.
MCs, thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoy our tour here in the farm.
Yeah, to the trail.
Yeah.
Then we have our rabbit meat and some vegetables, homegrown here in the
Yeah.
farm. So it all was delicious. Yeah, thanks
And
to
also
the couples.
Yeah, and also the rabbit. I think
Yeah.
it's there in their
Yeah,
farm.
homegrown also
Yeah.
at their house
Yeah.
actually. So the rabbit meat tastes like chicken.
So thank
Yeah.
you for Jam. Happy birthday, Jam.
And Elliot. Okay, so see you again, MCs. And if you are new in our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe at MCTV. Bye.